There are almost 7,000 new medications in development right now, all with the hopes of treating everything from cancer to COVID-19. But in order for biopharmaceutical companies to be able to develop these treatments for patients, their discoveries need to be protected. That's where intellectual property rights, or IP for short, come in. To earn IP rights in the first place, innovators need to patent their new and useful inventions. Patents are one type of IP protection and last 20 years, and for biopharmaceutical companies, around half that time is spent pending at the US Patent Office and undergoing clinical trials and FDA approval. As soon as a patent is published, even before patent protection is granted, information about the invention becomes public, which means brand competitors and generic manufacturers can build on those inventions too. That's crucial. In fact, one of the reasons we already have so many vaccine candidates in late-stage clinical trials for COVID-19 is because companies are able to share information around vaccine technology, and that's true for more than just vaccines. Picture a golf ball. It's pretty simple, right? But this golf ball actually has 61 different patents. That's because most products are made up of dozens of individually patented inventions. The same is true for medicine. A pill you take to fight cancer or treat heart disease or prevent HIV can be made up of many specific inventions. And even though those individual inventions are patented, nobody has a monopoly on treating a condition, and brand name drugs often have many competitors. Patents provide information for scientists to develop generic medicines more efficiently. This leads to more options for all kinds of treatments, from vaccines to high cholesterol medications. And this spurs competition among generic manufacturers too. In the past 3 years alone, 150 new patented treatments have led to 3,000 more generic options. Today, 90% of all prescriptions in the US are filled with generic medicines. Plus, these drugs do get cheaper over time. The more inventions scientists create, the more treatments we have. And the more treatments we have, the more personalized patient care becomes. Just look at immunotherapy drugs for acute leukemia. The life expectancy for this disease used to be just 5 years, but now, 2 new immunotherapy drugs help over a third of leukemia patients achieve lasting remission. This breakthrough was unthinkable just a decade ago, and we've seen similar breakthroughs with treatments for other diseases like hepatitis C. And these are in large part thanks to a strong IP system that incentivized scientists to continue researching new ways to treat this deadly disease. The IP process protects innovators. It spurs competition and leads to more effective treatments and cures for every patient, whether they're fighting cancer, heart disease, or COVID-19.